Hello children, welcome everyone. This video is meant for having a quick revision on EVS topics of class 4. Last year we studied about sense organs. Which are the sense organs? Ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. And in class 4 we studied more about the sense organ which help us to hear, that is ears. We studied the names of animals with visible ears and the animals with hidden ears. Do you remember? Can you name some of the animals with hidden ears? Yes, most of the birds have hidden ears. And in class 5 also we will study about sense organs more detailedly, especially the animals with super senses. And after that, we had a super journey with a 10-year-old girl, Omana. We started our journey from Gujarat and ended in Kerala. During that journey, we observed different landforms. Do you remember which are the main landforms? Yes, mountains, plateaus and plains. And in that chapter, we studied the names of the main rivers in India. And along with all these details, we studied 28 states and their capital cities and 8 union territories and their capital cities. Do you remember? After that, we entered into Baswa's field. It was a radish field. What all things we learned from there? We studied about different types of agricultural instruments, fertilizers, the importance of removing weeds, then different types of soils. All these things we studied. And along with all these things, we learned about different harvest festivals, especially the harvest festival of Assam. Which is that? Yes, that is Bihu. And don't forget, the most important harvest festival of Kerala is Onam. And after that, we studied about different water bodies, different sources of water and the importance of saving water. And we studied different methods, different tips to save water. In chapter Busy Month, we studied about different birds and their nest. Birds use different materials for making their nest. When we observe a crow's nest, we can see thread, wool, wire, cloth, even glass also, in the small pieces of glass also. And some birds make their nest on the top of the big trees, whereas some other birds like Indian robins make their nest in between the rocks. Do you remember we conducted a mock interview as a part of the chapter Defense Officer Wahida? She is the first woman defense officer in India. And in that chapter, as a part of that chapter, we studied about the 3 armed forces of our country: Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. So dear children, please keep all these information in your mind, refresh it, because there are some chapters in class 5 in your next class which are having a connection with all these things. So thank you.